everyone. Welcome back to another video. Welcome here in Math with teacher Riva. You will be with me together as we learn new concepts about the subject math. Okay? How are you doing today? I hope you are all feeling good today and very ready to learn something new. Let's begin. Let's begin the video with a short review. Let's try to remember what are the things that you have learned last time. Can you still remember concepts learned last time? If that is so, let us try to see. Last time, we did learn about different vocabulary words involving the measurement of length. Can you remember what are those words? Okay, first word we have long. Long. Right. Next, we had short. Short. Good job. Tall. Tall. Very good. These three words are used when we talk about measurement of lengths. That is why you have to remember it all the time. Okay? We also learned last time the different measuring tools. Let's have the two of the most familiar tools to be used. First, second. What is this again? Very good. It's a ruler. Great job. How about this one? Well done. It's a measuring tape. It's a measuring tape. These two are common tools when we do measure objects, whether small or big. Now let me ask you, if you see a book, a chair, a pencil, and a box, what measuring tool are you going to use? Very good. You use a ruler. Great job, everyone. How about if you see a classroom size and a house or a table? What measuring tool is appropriate to use? Okay, good job. You are going to use a measuring tape. Very good. I hope you will not forget about all those concepts. Alright, now it's time to move on to another topic, which is just related to the previous one. Today's video, you are going to learn more about the units of measurement, like centimeter to cm, meter is for m. Remember and again remember, when you measure objects, you have to begin measuring and put it at the 0 scale mark in order to get an accurate measurement of the objects. Example, measuring a water bottle, you have to begin at the top before knowing it at the bottom. And so you count from 0 to 9. That's why you get 9 centimeters or 9 cm tall. Or perhaps do it horizontally. Begin here and end here. Thus you get 6 centimeters or 6 centimeters long. And with regards to distances and heights, you measure from top to bottom to get the height, from here to there to get the distance, and you finally say the measurements. The flagpole is 15 meters long, the school is 3 meters tall, and the distance from the flagpole to the school is 300 meters far. Far because you tend to measure distance. Alright. The main topic for the video is about comparing lengths. When you say comparing, it means there are 2 or more than 3 choices. You can have 2 objects to be compared or more objects. Let's try to have an example. Here we have a picture of a spoon and a fork. Okay? At this time, we are going to compare the sizes of the spoon and the fork. Which object is shorter? In layman's term, which object is smaller? Small. What do you think? Is it the fork or the spoon? Very good. The shorter one is the spoon. Can you repeat after me? Spoon is shorter than the fork. Again, spoon is shorter than the fork. Alright, so fork is longer while the spoon is shorter. It's big and this is small. Let's have another example. Supposing we have the question, which object is longer? Okay, very good. Fork is longer than the spoon. Fork is longer than the spoon. Let's have another picture. It is a picture of a table and a cabinet. A picture of a table and a cabinet. The question is, which object is taller? Which object is taller? What do you think? Look at their sizes. Which one is taller? Okay, the cabinet is taller than the table. The cabinet is taller than the table. The cabinet is big. The table is small. So therefore, which object is shorter? Which object is shorter? Alright, the table is shorter than the cabinet. The table is shorter than the cabinet. Can you follow? Alright, good job. Another example. This time we have 3 people, not objects this time, okay? We have 3 children, and we are trying to look at their individual heights, how short or how tall they are. Now, we have this girl A, boy A, and girl B. Looking at the picture, who do you think is the shortest? Who do you think is the shortest? Is it this girl, this boy, or this girl? Let's say the name of this is Susan, this is Oliver, and this is Betty. Who is the shortest? Okay, let's look at this one. Who is the tallest? Is it Susan? Is it Oliver? Or is it Betty? Oliver is the tallest among the 3. Oliver is the tallest among the 3. Alright, let's take at their picture again. What is their individual measurements? What is their individual measurements, or what is their height? What is Susan's height? What is Oliver's height? And what is Betty's height? How are you going to look at their heights? Refer to the numbers beside, which starts from 0, followed by 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and 120, all in centimeters unit. So, looking at the picture, what is Susan's height? Let's put that Susan is 85 centimeters tall. Tall because we are talking about height this time, okay? Again, Susan is 85 centimeters tall. Alright, how about Oliver? What is Oliver's height? Look. Let's say Oliver's height is 100 centimeters tall. Oliver is 100 centimeters tall. Okay, and lastly, let's look at Betty's height. What is the height of Betty? Look at the number beside. It's estimated to be 90 centimeters tall. Betty is 90 centimeters tall. Okay, let's move. Picture of plants. We have how many plants? Okay, good job. We have 4 plants. This is plant A, plant B, plant C, and plant D. Plant A measures 70 centimeters tall. B is 1 meter tall. C is 50 centimeters tall. And D is 90 centimeters tall. Question is, how much does each plant measure? Repeat after me. Plant A is 70 centimeters tall. Your turn. Alright, good job. Next, plant B is 1 meter tall. Okay, very good. Plant C is 50 centimeters tall. Alright, good job. And lastly, plant D is 90 centimeters tall. These are the appropriate measurements of each plant. Okay, now let's try to arrange from the tallest to the shortest plant. In this time, we are going to write what plant is the tallest going down to the shortest. Alright? What do you think? What plant is the tallest plant? Is it A, B, C, or D? Very good. It's plant B. Good job, everyone. What's the next plant? Good job. It's plant D. Well done. How about the second to the last plant? Alright, we have plant A. Good job. And the shortest among the 4 plants is plant C. That is from tallest, the biggest, to the shortest, to the smallest. It's plant B, plant D, plant A, and plant C. How about if we try to arrange the heights of the 3 children? From the shortest kid to the tallest kid. It's from the short or the smallest kid to the biggest kid, shall we say. What do you think, or who do you think is the shortest kid among the 3? Okay, very good. It's Susan. Great job. How about the next one? Very good. It is Betty. And the tallest among the 3 is Oliver. So the shortest is Susan, followed by Betty, and the tallest is Oliver. Susan measures 85 centimeters tall. Betty measures 90 centimeters tall, while Oliver is 100 centimeters tall. That gives us a correct arrangement from the shortest kid to the tallest kid. Okay? Have you learned something today, everyone? Well, if that is so, you did a great job. 2 thumbs up for you, everyone. That would be all for this video. Thank you all for listening and for watching. I hope you really have learned something from today's video. Goodbye, everyone, and keep safe always.